Okay, again, my hair and makeup, they're out of town, obviously. Okay, I have always wanted to do this. It's something called Stuff Kids Give Me, because I need to record this somehow because it's pretty unhinged some days. Like, you'll get like kind of your stuff that kids have, which is super adorable. Like, I had a kid give me this Happy Meal toy, okay, recently. I mean, I was adorable little kindergarten boy. I mean, I kind of love it. These are the changeables. They came back from the 90s. Solid. Okay, A++. But then I had a kid come at me oh, geez. Okay, I just broke it. But axolotl, so like little figurines. Kids love to give me little squishy stuff like that. Always helpful during the day to use these. But then you'll start to get, it's kind of cool, then kids will start to bring things in baggies. When it's in a baggie, number one, I'm like, that parent, they didn't want it to get jumbled in the backpack. But like, look at some of these. So either these are little overflow things that kids have, adorable, or sometimes they're 3D printed little objects that kids give me too, which are super adorable. But then you start to get like a measuring tape thing. I'm like, oh my gosh, that's super cool. And then homemade things, again, super adorable that kids have made me. But like this one yesterday, I was like, wow, look at this. And I was like, what? I said, are you just showing me or are you giving me this? He was like, oh, I'm giving it to you. Now, this little kid, so giving, little second grade boy, check this out. I started thinking, should I turn this into jewelry? I think yes. Look at that. I feel like that definitely could be a definite piece of statement jewelry, maybe a headband. I think it would kind of go with my coloring, but that's just like kind of like a quick overview. Okay, but here's the other one. This just came this morning. Kid walked in. Sometimes I find stuff in my mailbox. Again, Ziploc baggie, but look at this. This is a little kindy. Look what he made for me. He made, and I can tell this is Play-Doh, but look at a piece of pottery, even with the lid on it. I mean, come on. You can't get that at the store. Isn't that cool? Okay, so, oh, here's one last thing. Let's see if I can even find it. Oh gosh, okay, here it is. You're gonna laugh. Right? Second grade girl gave me this one, kind of the icing on the top. So that's like episode 1, Stuff Kids Give Me. Believe me, there's a lot more to come. I used to be a minimalist until I became a teacher, and now I'm a pack rat because kids give me stuff. So thanks for joining me. Bye.